Coco is our rooster right here. He's our neighborhood rooster that is probably around for about 3 years before he finally discovered the red cup. So he's kind of just up and down this block. He has homes everywhere. We buy bird food for him so that people can come in and actually interact with him. He's very personable. He likes people. He deals with people all day long. We're right on the edge of the Asian district. That's right kind of in the heart of Oklahoma City. We're a coffee house that's become a full-scale vegan and vegetarian restaurant. This place has changed over, every year over the 24 years that it's been open. It's never the same. It's constant evolution. I started here about 10 years ago and on a culinary journey, and I guess you could say the reason I'm still here is because I haven't stopped learning. Everything we do here is 100% from scratch. We do all of our own recipes. I come up with all the recipes. We do all of our baking from scratch. I have a baker who went to culinary school with me, who I brought in, and he's really kind of helped bring our baking along. From what I can tell from most of the restaurants is that, we buy our spice from Savory Spice, so it's ground weekly. So we get that in, our spices are just as best as they can be. I try to use the best quality ingredients I can possibly find and also try to give it at a price point that everybody can still afford. The food is just uniquely us. We try to push the limits as much as we can. We have our own gardens that we grow in. We have local people that obviously grow a lot of produce, and we try to take as much of that we can. We have about 4 burgers on the menu. My favorite right now is the chili burger. It's got something going on with it that I really like. We have 3 different macs. We have a chorizo mac, a green chili mac, and a chili mac. And those all use local Della Terra pasta. We use Leap roasters. Our beans are roasted, less than 15 minutes away. And then we get them here, grind them as fresh as possible. We have timed grinder, so obviously we can just, whenever we actually need it, then we grind it. So it's kind of getting ground as fresh as possible, so it gives you the best coffee experience.
I come here for the conversation and the atmosphere because, the Red Cup is almost like a kind of an art gathering place. There's writers, musicians, and other artists that come here, and so that camaraderie of coming here and having communications, talking about different shows that are happening around the state of Oklahoma and inside of Oklahoma City is really nice.
Everybody's welcome. There's not a caste system. No one particular group overwhelms the Red Cup. So when you come in, you do really get like a myriad of different people from different backgrounds, and I think that makes it the most unique the most unique coffee house that I've been to.